Guys, welcome back to my channel that I haven't been on in a hot second. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eye look using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It has a lot of purpley shades in it, as you can see, and so that is what I'm going to show you today. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this light shade called Hush Hush, and I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to make that my transition color, and I'm going to put that all over my lid using windshield wiper motions and making sure that it's even and fully blended. So now I'm going to take the shade Rockstar, which is a deeper purple, and with a small blending brush, this one I got in my Ipsy bag, but you can use any small blending brush. And you're going to place that color right on your outer corner, and you're going to bring it into your crease using windshield wiper motions and making sure that everything is blended out and making sure there are no harsh lines. And I'm gonna make it a little bit deeper. I'm gonna keep going back into the color and deepening that up a bit. And I like to make sure that I don't bring that color too far into my crease. I do like for the inner corners of my eyes to be brighter than my outer, and I like that look a lot better, and so I bring it in about halfway, maybe a little bit more than halfway in my crease. So now I'm going to go in with the darkest matte shade in the palette, and I'm just going to place that in the outer corner, deepening it up a little bit just to get some more dimension and more of an ombre effect. And that color is called Mystic. So next I'm going to go back in with that fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to blend those colors together just to make sure that I don't have any harsh lines at all, and making sure that it all looks cohesive. And now I'm going to take the shimmery shade Bling Bling, and using my finger I'm going to put that right on my inner corners, and making sure that it doesn't get into my crease too much. So with that fluffy brush, I'm just going to dust that off my crease because I don't want any of that shimmery shade in my crease. And now with a pencil brush, I'm going to go in with that color Hush Hush, and I'm going to put that right on my lower lash line and just blending it right in. So now I'm going to go back in with Rockstar, and I'm just going to deepen it up just a little bit and making sure that my lower lash line connects to my top eyelid. So because this Jaclyn Hill palette doesn't have a brow bone highlight, I'm going to take this Pixie palette called Romantic Radiance, and I'm going to take the shade Veil, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone and as my inner corner highlight. And I just use a small flat brush for that. So last thing I did was pop on some mascara and some lip, and that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you can give this video a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!